Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a slick 1970 Ford Mustang. Super cool car, guys. It is a recent body up restoration. You can see it's finished in grabber yellow. It's got the black Boss striping. It's not a real Boss. Black vinyl interior. Car's got a great look, detailed up real nice. Slick paint. Car came out of North Carolina. Does not have very many miles since the car was restored. Bottom's clean. And like I say, just a good looking car. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the 15-inch Magnums. I love the shaker hood. That's a real selling feature on this car to me. I think everybody loves that shaker hood. Again, paint slick. It's got all the blacked out Boss trim striping on it. Chrome and stainless is nice. I've seen a couple little touch-up marks, but not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. Again, that shaker hood, which is cool. Pretty paint. Rear window louvers. Very popular option in these Mustangs. Rear deck spoiler. Boy, these Mustangs are hot. Just can't find them. This car's got a good look. I haven't got a chance to drive this car yet. Jordan drove it a couple times. I said it handles down the road good. A little pitting in that wheel right there. That's just a smudge. Paint slick, man. Front disc brakes. .351 Windsor. Again, love the shaker hood option. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Power steering. Power front disc brakes. Does have air. Air blows cold. That is an original AC setup, and he said he's got a brand new compressor in the back too that goes with it as well. I guess those compressors are not easy to come by, so he bought an extra for a spare. Good looking car. Blacked out the mirrors. That's a remote mirror. New door rubbers. I've got new floor mats on the way for it. You can see new carpet, new sill plates. It's got the bucket seats, center floor shifter, wood wheel tilt column. It's got the fold down rear here in the back, fold down rear seat. Showing 93,000. That's supposed to be the original miles, but I'm assuming, you know, like I say, I think the car's got a couple thousand miles since it was restored. Stock AM FM radio, but it's got an aftermarket radio in the trunk too. So, X-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock 9-inch rear. Spares in here. You can see it's got the fold down rear seat right there, and then it's got some kind of amp, and that's your brand new compressor. Car's nice. It's detailed up good. Seats are nice. Dash is really nice. Gauges are nice and clean. This is a removable center console if you want that. And I like the black mirrors they did on both sides. Air blows cold. You can click your air off, Jordan. Car runs, man, too. Air blow good and cold in there? Yeah. I said the air blew nice. I'm going to have to check on the fuel gauge. It's got a real good sound. I know it's got some aftermarket amp. I'm not real sure it's working. And blower motor works. I'm not a real radio guy. I care less about radios, to be honest with you. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory guides. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys.